Whoa, whoa.
Okay, y'all, what is poppin'? What is good, YouTube? It's about 7:22. Your boy gotta catch a flight in like an hour. We are headed to Azores Island in Portugal. It is game day for your boy. You know what I'm saying? But we also gonna vlog the island. You feel me? So, hey, if you watching this video, you know the vibes. Hit that like button and just get ready to subscribe, cause we gonna have a weekend. Let's get it.
Hey, what's up to the YouTube? Hey.
We're really on the island vibes right now. It's called Terceira Island here in Portugal. About 2.5 hours from Lisbon. It's rainy today though. It's rainy today, but catching some vibes before the game.
Gonzalo, say something for the vlog, bro.
Laboss is the great American player that's back.
That's love, bro. That's love. That's love.
So much love, bro.
Appreciate you, bro. You know what I'm saying? We out here. So Portugal has islands called Azores and Madeira. Azores is made up of a bunch of different islands, and Terceira is the third principal island. That's why they be having the bullfights, the famous bullfights in Portugal. So they didn't even know Portugal had islands. That's crazy. So we out here.
Man, he's holding a sword. Give him a hug. Yeah, give him a kiss.
Give him a kiss, David. JB.
Whoa, whoa, why is it moving, bro?
You win.
What is good, y'all? It's the morning after. It's about it's like 8 something. We gotta catch breakfast in like 30 minutes, but we lost yesterday at breakfast, and then we headed into the airport. So, but it is a sunny day today, so I will try to get down to the water real quick to show y'all the scenery, because since it was raining yesterday. But hey, I hope you liking this video. You know the vibes. I need y'all to stop playing with me and hit that like button. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna need a subscribe. And we out, baby. Let's get it. Terceira Island, baby. No, your son is hitting your boy this morning. Hey, that son hitting, boy. Hit that like button. God is good, y'all. God is good, man. It's crazy, yo. Like, this world is just a small world. There's so many places everywhere, but I didn't even know Portugal had islands. So we out here. Good morning, coach. Say hi to the Laboss show.
Hi, good morning.
This is my assistant coach, y'all. What do you want? What do you want the Americans? What do you want the people to know about Terceira Island?
About this island?
Yeah, it's Terceira Azores. What do you want people to know?
It's very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Green. Everything is green.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
it's raining.
Yeah.
You can have the 4 seasons in the same day.
4 seasons, same day. That's crazy. That's crazy. Vibes. Straight vibes. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Terceira Island vibes, baby. We about to get out of here. Little game day vlog for y'all. Travel vlog. But hey, if you enjoyed this vlog, you know what to do. Stop playing with your boy. Hit that like button to support the channel. You know what I'm saying? Comment below where you want me to see me to go next. And subscribe, baby. We out.